Hello, my name is Natalie, welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my 3 kits from Diamond Dust that I purchased from their official website, along with a few drills, ABs and metallic ones. So if you want to see, stay with me. To tell you the truth, I'm really very, on the one hand, excited to open this very kit that I've been craving to have for almost a year, but on the other hand, I'm afraid that it would come with acrylic drills. Like one of my subscribers, Inger, received this kit with acrylic drills, so I'm like excited and terrified at the same time. But let's see what's inside. So before we start opening the kits, I would like to show you the drills that I purchased from Diamond Dust website, and you will understand why later, why I'm showing to you first. So I purchased some colors in quantity of 2, but first of all, this very pink with the gold shade. I purchased it on purpose, this one and this one. This one has like more warm shade, closer to maybe light salmon color, because I was planning to use them maybe over here on the cherries, and I'm pretty sure it will look fantastic. So the next ones that I bought were blue ABs. They were not on sale, they were $3, not $2.99, but I'm running out of the ones that I purchased it from Joanne, light blue. I also got, I don't know, like beige, beige whites or something like this. Maybe I will also add those to the kit, but to tell you the truth, they are 5001. They're supposed to be like white with cold shade, not warm one. Let me see something. Yeah, it just seemed to me that they look way too beige. You see how different they are? Although they're the same number, 5001, but the shade is absolutely different. These are like colder shade with, I would say, bluish shade, and this one is warmer. Interesting, because for me these ones look like coffee and milk, to tell you the truth. Very, very, very light beige, but not white. Wow, okay, I wonder what's wrong with them. Yeah, the difference is insane, but the color is the same. The only difference is this note on the bottom. Very interesting. Okay, I will figure it out later, but yeah, this color as well, and metallic golden ones. So, and now let's look at the path to worship. So 22 by 28 inches, and to tell you the truth, I already diamond painted a kit that was very similar size wise and design wise. I fell in love into this design. And to tell you the truth, the size of this kit is kind of big for me, 22 by 28 inches. I usually diamond paint 16 by 20 inches, but I love the final result so much that I decided that once Path to Worship is going to be on sale, I will definitely purchase it. But look at that. Plus, the frame is pretty standard. I purchased it at Walmart, and as you can see, it has like round corners and it looks fantastic, right? The only problem that I had with this kit, as I mentioned before, I was afraid that it's coming with the acrylic drills. So let's see the canvas first. The canvas itself is pretty big. It doesn't even fit my desk. I don't know how I'm going to diamond paint it, but that's how it looks. Look, I mean, I can't even fit it. The symbol printing is good. Okay. Pour glue as an adhesive. And I love the design itself. Gorgeous image. Here it is. Look at that. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. So this kit comes with 42 colors. Very interesting tool set right? Set of tools. Like for example this stylus. I'm not sure why they decided to use a new kind of stylus, but I like it because it has a Diamond Dots logo on it. But my favorite stylus is Diamond Art Club one. It is so convenient to use, so comfortable, yeah, especially because of the wax being inside of the stylus, so you just twist and it comes out automatically, and you don't have to keep using the wax like this. So very comfortable, especially if you go somewhere to diamond paint. You don't have to constantly bring wax with you. Okay, I won't make you wait. I already actually opened this kit for my Russian-speaking channel, and yes, thank God, the drills are resin! Yay! I guess Diamond Dots learned their lesson with Inga, who got acrylic drills first. But now Inga ended up with 2 kits, right? So, now let's see the drills. Oh my god, they're so gorgeous. I love the drills. So, why I opened and showed you the drills first, the drills that I purchased in the jars separately, because I want to show you what I'm going to replace. First of all, I'm thinking of replacing this very color, maybe with this white drills, with white ABs as accents on the cherries. So it's not really the same color, but I think it will look fine. I'm not actually sure if it is this one or not. So let's look next. Unfortunately, this kit does not include any ABs, and for me it's a mystery why, because again they could have included maybe some pinkish, maybe some yellowish white. So this is yellow. What I'm thinking of replacing is, of course, the light on the windows with crystals, ABs, maybe with metallic ones. I'm not sure yet. I just need to correspond the colors and see if they look the same, they have the same shade. I will definitely replace this color with white AB, definitely. But again, only on the trees, not on the sky, for example. So, I love the color, so bright. This color most likely will be replaced with this one. It's a little bit darker, but I think it will look good. Again, if of course it goes also on the cherry trees, right? What else do we have? Very bright pink colors, actually. Blue, a lot of blue shades, yellow, green, multiple green colors. And the last one, oh, that's pretty. This is kind of like lettuce color. Brown, bright yellow, brown, again light yellow. Oh my god, my vocabulary is so limited, especially when it comes to the color shades, right? So that's technically it when it comes to the drills. Yeah, no ABs, but I, to tell you the truth, suspected it. That's exactly why I purchased a few extra drills from Diamond Dots, a few ABs, because I'm running out of my stash already. Again, 42 colors, not a single white, not a single AB, sorry. The next kit that we are going to open is Simply Dots. That's a Diamond Dots budget version, and usually Simply Dots come with acrylic drills. This is a butterfly. I purchased it because it was very cheap. By the way, as to the previous kit, Path to Worship, the original price is around $60, but now it's on 30% sale, and I purchased it for $42, plus I had a $10 coupon. This one, I don't remember how much it was, but it was super cheap, maybe $5. So this, it comes with 29 colors, and the size is 9.8 by 13.8 inches. By the way, it comes with a very cute set of tools. I like the heart-shaped wax. So that's how the canvas looks like. Okay. Symbol printing is good. 29 colors, and of course, since it's a budget kit, it does come with the acrylic drills. There was no surprise for me. The colors are summery, bright, very juicy, and you can see right away, right, that this is acrylic, no facets, they kind of look flat, and of course those dents on the bottom, on the back side of the drills. I'm not sure if I'm going to replace any color with ABs or crystals. Of course, this kit doesn't include any, maybe, well, it's not even white, does it? Kinda, nah, no, I don't think so. It will look maybe white, will be replaced with ABs and more orangey. The thing is that unlike this very butterfly from Make Market, that is very unique. On the one hand, it has the combination of colors that transition from one to another, and plus this is night, so technically the moonlight is shining through the butterfly, and I wanted to show this effect of the light going through its wings to show how thin and airy those wings are. And again, the color combination gave me room to play with it and enhance it. This is a very beautiful, rare butterfly when it comes to colors, like color-wise. So that is why the enhancements and customizations with ABs and even crystals belong there, right? And they look fine. But when it comes to this butterfly, that's like a standard butterfly, right? The majority of butterflies are colored this way, and crystals will look out of place on it, in my opinion. Everybody knows how this very butterfly looks like, right? Everybody knows the colors. So I guess the crystal accents will look redundant, so I don't think I will be changing anything, enhancing this kit, at least enhancing the butterfly with crystals. No crystals for sure, maybe white ABs on those white spots on her, on its, sorry, in Russian the butterfly is female, so on the spots of the wings, maybe white drills, so white ABs. But other than that, I don't think I will be doing anything else with this kit. I'm not sure, maybe I will even give it away as a gift to somebody who wants to diamond paint diamond dots. We'll see. So the name of the kit is Spring Flight. So if you like this kit, purchase it, because again, for $5, it is very cheap. And what bought me in this kit is the detalization. Again, look at the multiple flowers. You can see every single of it, just like on this very kit. So many objects. There are like, I don't know, maybe 100 of those flowers, plus trees, Christmas trees, the leaves. Yet you can see every single flower like one, right? So the designers in Diamond Dots are fantastic. They are true professionals. This kit has a lot of, like, this design has lots of objects in it, small ones, and even small ones, like, again, flowers, they look detailed because you can see every single of them, right? You can identify every single flower. Just like here. Again, don't forget the size. The size is pretty small, 25 by 35 inches, yet you can see every single flower. You can differentiate every single flower, even on this white flowers. I don't know the name of it. Gorgeous. And for the price, $5, maybe $3 or $5, I don't remember, but like almost for free, you know. And the last kit that we are going to diamond paint, also the reason why I purchased it, was on sale. It was $9 as far as I remember. I decided to buy it and give it away as a gift to my daughter's music teacher. So I hope she will like it. Specifications, I was looking for a word. For the words 30 by 30 centimeters, Piano Rainbow is the name, and I guess I'm blind, I do not see how many colors. So let's open and see how it looks inside. It comes already pre-framed, so technically diamond painted it. Hang it on the wall, that's how it looks from the back. So let's open and see how it looks inside. You know, this is a very interesting kit. First of all, I was sure that it will have lots of color blocking and it would be very easy to diamond paint it, but as you can see, it has confetti as well. So the transition of colors is pretty intense over here. The symbol printing is good. That's how it looks. And I was very surprised to find out that it comes with 40 colors. 40! Wow! Almost like the Path to Worship that comes with 42 colors. But Path to Worship is pretty big. It's 22 by 28 inches. This one is technically 12 by 12 inches. 40 colors. That's a lot, a lot. I thought it would be really very easy to diamond paint and give it away as a gift. You know that I would finish it like, I don't know, in a week, but due to the color quantity, I doubt it. It will take me some time, although the size is not that big. Now, I'm also kind of surprised that in all Diamond Dots kits that I purchased this year, and I purchased a lot, almost not, like, maybe one or two had ABs. I'm not sure why Diamond Dots stopped putting ABs in this, in their kits. Very few have ABs. Or maybe these are the ones that I purchased, they don't include any. But here, I'm not sure what exactly I'm going to replace with ABs. Maybe this color. I'm not even sure if it is white or not. But other than that, I don't know what else. But at least it comes, as you can see, with resin drills, which is good. Although even if it came with the acrylic, I wouldn't be very upset, because for the price it costs $10. And again, it comes pre-framed, so it was a bargain, right? But no, it includes resin drills, highly faceted resin drills. So I was thinking maybe replace this one with ABs, but again, the shade is different. It's the same one. I'm blind, I don't see. So you see, nothing works. The shade is a little bit off. So more colors. I don't know what exactly to replace it with. ABs here. I like this color, this green. Maybe just white or maybe some yellow, not sure. Yeah, maybe just a little bit of white color. Did I show it to you? I don't think I did, right? And the last. Kind of like a mint color. 40 colors. So it is also on sale, $9, comes pre-framed, 40 colors. So think about it. Maybe somebody will like it. It is free shipping if purchased for $75, and you also earn points. So I got $10 discount due to earning points last time when I purchased Diamond Dot kits. But I'm really very excited. I don't know when I'm going to start working on this very kit. Most likely next year. Yeah, I'll give it to her as a gift for next year, maybe for Christmas. If not, then for Teachers Appreciation Day next year in May, not this one for sure. And I'm super excited to start working on this very kit once I finish my current work in progress from Russian brand Mosfai. It is pretty time consuming to diamond paint it, first of all because it has a lot of colors, 52 or something like that. Unfortunately, it's not numerated on the one hand. On the other hand, it comes with square shape drills, and you know they're also more time consuming, and there is lots of confetti. Just look at it. You see, like a lot of confetti, and the size 60 by 40 centimeters, but hopefully it will turn out good. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for staying with me, and I will see you soon.